On the back of the tool, you'll find spare pins just in case you lose one, but you won't need these for now. Step 1. Wearing the bracelet, pinch links together gently where it slacks around the wrist. This should help you to estimate how many links you want to remove. Step 2. Next, lay the bracelet horizontally across the bracelet tool. Make sure the side with the bracelet pin slightly indented is lined up with the link removal tool. This is because these are split pins. One side is slightly thinner than the other, so should be removed only from this side. Step 3. Gently and slowly turn the tool handle to nudge the pin out of its position. It may stick slightly at first, so be patient. You can see the split pin more clearly here. Step 4. Once you've removed the pin from the bracelet link, you need to remove another pin further down one side of the bracelet. This is how many links shorter you would like to make the bracelet. Step 5. Now the excess links have been removed, you need to link both sides of the bracelet back up. Like we said before, they're split pins, so you need to put the thinner side back into the indented side. You can put this in 3/4 of the way by hand so that it holds the bracelet together. Then you need to line it back up again on the bracelet tool. Step 6. Again, slowly nudge the pin back in until it is fully inserted. Ensure the pin is firmly in place with a flush finish like all the other pins. And there you have it, resized to perfection to now hang comfortably on your wrist.